In this video, we will be discussing about common base amplifier. If you observe here, since base is common, there are two terminals remaining, emitter and collector. We should give input to the emitter and we should take output from the collector. If you observe this circuit, we are giving input to the emitter here. Here we are giving input and here we are taking output. So this configuration is called as common base amplifier. We should analyze input impedance, output impedance, current gain, voltage gain. That's it. If you see current gain, guys, we are taking output current IC. Input current is IB, not IB. We are giving input to the IE. So input current will be IE. This is our current gain. If we simplify this, IC is beta IB, IE is 1 plus beta into IB. Beta by 1 plus beta. It is also called as alpha. This is the current gain. If you see input impedance, we are applying input here. So from here we should see the input impedance. If we see from here, it is called as ZI dash. See guys, during AC analysis, this capacitor will become short circuit. Even the RB1 will become in parallel with RB2. This is a short circuit. It will be like this. So we will not consider this. And you know that here the resistance beta RA will be there. If you see from here, there is only resistance beta RA. But the current flowing through beta RA is IB. Since we are applying input to the emitter, what you need? VE equal to IE into ZI. You need current IA through be flowing through the ZI. So what you will do? Refer beta RA to the emitter side. If you are referring from base to emitter, the parameter should be divided by 1 plus beta. Refer beta RA to the emitter side, it will become like this. Beta RA by 1 plus beta. Input impedance is beta RA by 1 plus beta. Similarly, ZI dash will be ZI parallel RE. Next, output impedance is, we are taking output across RC, just RC. Now by considering these two, what will be our voltage gain, guys? Input current is, we are giving input to the emitter, and our voltage gain is output voltage by input voltage. That is output current into output impedance by input current into input impedance. That's it. Just I am simplifying this. IC is beta IB and IE is 1 plus beta into IB. IB 1 plus beta 1 plus beta beta beta. AB is RC by RE. Next, we calculate input impedance, output impedance, AI, AB. This AB is between V output by VB. If this is VB, this is V output, AB is nothing but V output by VB. But if in the question, he asked V output by Vs, what you will do, guys? If you see the input equivalent circuit, it will be like this. This is the source, this is the RS, this is ZI dash, this is VB, this is Vs. Apply voltage division rule and the concept I already discussed. It will be AV into ZI dash by ZI dash plus RS. So this is the analysis of the common base amplifier. In the next video, I will be comparing the three amplifiers with their respective voltage gains, current gains, input impedance and output impedance, and I will tell you which amplifier is the best. That lecture is very important because you should know how to compare the three amplifiers. If you like my explanation, do subscribe to my channel, guys. It will really motivates me to do more videos. So this is for now. Thank you.